Let's talk about the research determination of sowing time of muslin cotton Phuti Karpas, Gossypium arboreum. The research conducted by M.D. Aktruzaman and Melia Benta Momtaz focuses on determining the optimal sowing time for Phuti Karpas cotton, specifically the Gossypium arboreum variety, in Bangladesh. Phuti Karpas is known for its crucial role in producing the raw cotton used in the prestigious Dhakai muslin fabric. The study aims to revive the muslin industry by identifying the most favorable planting period to enhance cotton yield and quality. The potential economic impact of this research lies in the revitalization of Bangladesh's cotton industry and the restoration of its rich heritage in muslin fabric production. Significance of muslin fabric and cotton industry. Dhakai muslin has a profound historical significance in Bangladesh. Crafted from the fibers of the Phuti Karpas cotton plant, muslin is a fine quality, hand-woven cotton textile that originated in Dhaka. However, over time, the cultivation of tree cotton and the production of muslin cloth declined, leading to the loss of a valuable economic and cultural heritage. By reviving the muslin industry, this research has the potential to re-establish Bangladesh as a leading producer of muslin fabric, generating economic opportunities and preserving its cultural identity. Optimization of sowing time. The study emphasizes the crucial role of sowing time in cotton cultivation. Selecting the appropriate sowing time is vital for maximizing cotton yield and fiber quality, as environmental factors significantly influence plant growth and development. The researchers conducted a comprehensive experiment using a randomized complete block design, transplanting seedlings on various dates from April to July. The analysis of plant height, boll weight, and yield revealed significant variations based on the sowing time. Key findings and economic implications. The research findings indicate that sowing cotton on April 15 resulted in the highest seed cotton production, 1.32 t/ha, and the finest quality. This specific sowing time led to significantly taller plants and heavier individual bolls. These outcomes have significant economic implications for the cotton industry and the muslin fabric production. Higher yields and superior quality cotton can attract domestic and international buyers, increasing export potential and generating revenue for farmers and stakeholders. Revitalizing the cotton industry. By determining the optimal sowing time for Phuti Karpas cotton, this research contributes to the revitalization of the cotton industry in Bangladesh. The findings provide valuable insights for farmers and stakeholders, guiding them in making informed decisions about the timing of cotton cultivation. Improved yield and quality will enhance the competitiveness of Bangladeshi cotton in the global market, driving economic growth in the agricultural sector. Employment opportunities. The revival of the muslin industry and the growth of the cotton sector have the potential to create employment opportunities in rural areas. Increased cotton cultivation would require a larger workforce for farming activities, including planting, maintenance, and harvesting. Moreover, the expansion of the muslin industry would drive the demand for skilled artisans involved in the intricate hand-weaving process, further boosting employment and income generation. Sustainable development. The research contributes to sustainable development by promoting local cotton cultivation and reducing dependence on imported cotton. This self-sufficiency strengthens the domestic economy, reduces trade deficits, and fosters sustainable agricultural practices. Additionally, by reviving traditional muslin fabric production, the research supports cultural preservation and sustainable tourism, attracting visitors interested in experiencing Bangladesh's rich textile heritage. In conclusion, the research on optimizing the sowing time for Phuti Karpas cotton holds significant potential in the economics of Bangladesh. It offers a pathway for reviving the muslin industry, enhancing cotton yield and quality, and stimulating economic growth. The findings provide valuable insights for farmers, policymakers, and stakeholders in the cotton sector, guiding them towards sustainable practices and positioning Bangladesh as a prominent player in the global textile market. By harnessing the economic potential of this research, Bangladesh can reclaim its historical legacy as the home of exquisite muslin fabric.